De bouwsector verandert sneller dan ooit. Terwijl Europa kampt met een woningtekort, zoeken innovatieve bouwmethoden naar duurzame oplossingen. Prefab en modulaire bouw bieden nieuwe kansen, sneller, schoner en slimmer. Maar wat betekent dit voor onze toekomst en de wereld om ons heen? We bespreken dit met Nizar van Senmar Construction Solutions LDA.
At the moment, in reality, the housing market is facing so many challenges. Each house usually is a different customized work site, let's say, so they don't do repetitive things, and this causes a lot of delays, a lot of problems, which eventually makes it hard to solve the crisis that we have. So that's where transparent, modular, prefab construction comes, organizes the industry, and by organizing this, we can reach more people and answer more of the demand. So in a factory of a prefab company, you will have most of the things done there, and this makes it simple to evade so many delays that can happen on the work site. And in reality, buying the same materials, putting it in the same thing, lowers the logistics and makes it more simple. It is important to look at it from all aspects. So what makes prefab construction more sustainable compared to traditional methods is actually the vision of a company. And the company actually tries to be as responsible as possible because it is our responsibility as a producer to actually give the client the best option.
How does the BIM workflow contribute to the better construction outcome? So basically, BIM way of designing is when the engineer designs the complete structure up to the single small screw put in the gypsum board wall, all in the computer before actually starting the construction. Meaning that before you start to construct, you see every potential place where there could be a mistake with putting the engineering networks. And all of that let you prevent any solve-on-site situations. The prefabricated construction technique does not bring any limits to the customer regarding the architectural design. What prefabricated technique does is it lets the construction company to assure the quality and the proper weather conditions while processing the materials because it's being done in the factory. Meaning that all the potential mistakes that could have been done on the site are eliminated by doing it all in-house.
The question is, why is minimizing waste and the carbon footprint such an important focus today? First of all, it makes us humans more responsible and efficient. It's good for a planet, for environment, because the world needs construction to be greener. We need to be sure that every construction leaves less carbon footprint and emissions from our buildings. And if we are talking about the waste, can you imagine? Construction waste makes up to 25% of the total waste globally. This is enormous. And prefabrication allows to minimize this number up to 2%.
So the collaboration with local partners help empower local communities to be more efficient and to work together. So it also boosts the skills of local communities, shorten the distance between the supply chains. Transparency helps clients to understand what is about to build and what kind of materials is going to use. So the future looks smarter, faster and sustainable. I believe we will have more construction built in harmony with nature and using natural resources as a tool and use it wise and benefit the planet in the end.
De toekomst van bouwen draait niet alleen om snelheid of winst, maar om verantwoordelijkheid. Door samen te werken en duurzaam te denken, bouwen we aan iets groters. Een leefbare wereld voor de generaties van morgen.